The second step in the process, the thinking process, is the current reality tree. The current reality tree is a cause and effect tree. It sounds like, if this cause, then this effect. Constructing a CRT starts with a comparison of the goal and the critical success factor with what's actually happening in reality. Is the goal being accomplished? If not, what are the visible indications of this failure to accomplish? The same question is asked of each of the critical success factors. What are the indications we're not satisfying these critical success factors? From there, we drill down through successive layers of cause and effect until we reach an originating cause of the deviations. This can include as many as 10 or 12 layers of cause and effect, or it can be as few as 3 or 4. Normally, the undesirable effects in our system result from a limited number of what we call critical root causes. The critical root causes, then, are actionable things we must change in order to eliminate the undesirable effects in our system and make the system conform to our expectations, in other words, as stated in the goal tree.